Hello, peace be unto you. Welcome once again. So, I'll be showing you how to message people without having to save their number on your device. All you need to do is get the application Status Saver from your App Store. I'll slide to the right side twice. You can see where I am currently, and you can see the message inscribed. Send a message to any number registered on WhatsApp without saving. So, you click to use. Firstly, you enter your country code. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm entering +234. I'll be using my second number on WhatsApp. So let's assume this is an unknown number. Then you input your message or you just paste from your clipboard. Then you click on open chat. So for those who have two WhatsApp on their line, you select the WhatsApp you want to use. And for those who have just one, you just have to stick to the one WhatsApp you have on your phone. So you allow it to load. And this is a very sure way that I've tried so many times. So you all are going to love this. So this is what we have, as you can see. So you click on the send button and it appears directly on the other hand.